Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get, in order for you to get a Momo number, you just check the description and message me directly and I'll create some of the Momo number for you, but it will cost you, please. It's not free, so don't come here and say you want it for free. You understand? Yes, these are samples of Momo numbers I created, so don't come here and say you want it for free. You understand? Yes, there are a lot of people who has done some, but you have to be careful online. You understand? So just check the description and click on my number and come and message me directly as WhatsApp, and I'll create some of the Momo number for you. Yes, and if you want me to also create in Nigeria and you want me to create a link to your bank, I can also create a link to your bank account. Let me show you some sample here. All right, guys. I'm showing you, yes, so I'll create a link to your bank account. So as you can see, congrats, and you receive a message at your place. Please, you pay before I do it. You don't do before you pay. You pay before you do it, and it's not for free. And if you also need the Bexchange app and logins too, I will also give it to you, and it's also cost. The Momo number is $30. Yes, 30 USDT. So check the description and message me directly as WhatsApp. Then I'll create some for you. Then I'll link it to your bank. And if you want me to also create it for you to use it to withdraw, I can also create it for you to withdraw. Yes, I can also create some for you to use it to withdraw. So just check the description and message me directly for your Momo numbers, and also the BUSN too. If you need some, you can also message me and I'll give you some. The BUSN app and log is also $40 and the Momo number is $30, so making 70. If you want all, is 70 USDT, $70. So please like the video, share and subscribe. And these are samples of the Momo numbers, as I always said earlier. These are all samples. These are the ones I created for someone. So just check the description, message me directly at WhatsApp for your Momo numbers. Thank you.